Right guys, so the car still isn't working and I'm going to try and fix it. First things first, I'm going to get these dials. Luckily, the plastic bit just pops off and now I've just got like 2 screws at the top there to do, so cool. So looking at the connection behind there, it seems pretty sturdy. There's like a little bar that goes over here and that's down pretty nicely, so I don't think it's a cable issue. I mean, I know they said it's an alarm issue, but I want to check everything really. Now one thing I'm going to look at is that is my alarm. And I've got to figure out where that wire goes and see if there's any breaks at all. Awkward. Right, I can't find a single thing like wrong with the like alarm box on here. I'll have a quick look under the engine bay, and I'm happy because it's kind of stopped smelling now. Quick look under the engine bay, check the alarm cables, and if that don't work, then I'm just gonna have to try disconnecting and reconnecting the battery. Basically resetting the ECU. It lives! It lives! She's back, guys. Right guys, I am so happy I've got that sorted, and it turns out I don't even know what it was. I literally just disconnected the battery and then and then I held my foot down on the brake to reset the ECU and then put it back on, and then it's all working fine, and I've just drove it around the block. I've turned the engine off, started it up a few times, and it works. So I am well happy with that. I've got my car back. Now the next thing I need to do is get a shock absorber from online. I need to get that sorted out because I do have a dodgy shock absorber that needs sorting. But yeah, that guys. I mean, I know this is a bit of a random video and hasn't really got much point. It's just sort of vloggy style. I don't know, but if you like this sort of video, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. And till next time, peace.